What up, YouTube? Brokefarmer back for another video on this beautiful day. And if you know, you know, it's time to weigh my first watermelon of the season, y'all. All right, y'all, the first contender up, tendrils, brown and dyed. She ready, Freddy. The fish are cut. Yeah, got him. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go take him and put it on the scale. No cuts, no cuts. From the vine to the scale. Stay there, baby. Don't go nowhere. And she weighing at a whopping 7 pounds. That'll beat half of the competition right there. 7 pounds. Can we do better? Wait a minute. All right, our next contender up, Tendril Brown. Time to put it on the scale. It look dirty. But we ain't worried about what it look on the outside. We worry about the weight. What is the weight? How much would this contender weigh? I know it's bigger than Gina right now. No, Gina ain't got nothing bigger than that. No, David Cole ain't got nothing bigger than that. Come on, y'all. All right, scale at 0, no cuts. What we got here? She's 6.8. I think we can do better, folks. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, just when you thought it was safe to enter watermelon wars, oh, my friend, y'all picked the wrong year. Stem is brown. It's time. It's time. Cut the stem on camera. On camera. Now, I don't know if I can pick this up by myself, y'all. Hold on. I got to get pretty low for this. This. Ooh. This is a winter chicken dinner. Dad have been waiting on you the whole year. Yes, he has. Now I got you, baby. I got you, baby. Ain't no stopping me. Remember that yellow leaf on there? No edits, no cuts. Brokefarmer got the biggest watermelon. Is it a world record? Oh. Ooh. Jesus. It broke the scale, y'all. The scale go up to 100 pounds. All right, let's pile it back on. Dun, 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 dun. See, 110 pounds make. It must be 111 pounds. I'm just joking, y'all. All right, let's pick her back up. All right. So we're gonna tear the scale out. That's all zeros, y'all. Let's see what we got. Oh, she a big one. All right, she is on the scale. We saw 0, no cuts, no edits. We got a 21 pounder, y'all. We got a 21 pounder, y'all. Let's go get them. Please believe, I want to be clear on something. Those watermelons were just the beginning, y'all. It ain't over. It ain't over. So if you get a bigger watermelon than the one I just posted, then it's a matter of time before it's all over and said and done for. Now look here, this is just the first weigh-in on a series of weigh-ins I'm gonna do. Don't worry about the light. Now, I grew the most watermelons, of course. I'm eventually gonna grow the biggest. 21 pounds is the biggest one thus far. But throw all that out the window. Throw it out the window. You know the most important thing when it comes to growing watermelon? Eating watermelon. Oh my God, that's good. Look, I want to taste a little piece. Right here. Taste a little piece. Life is still good, and I'm still the watermelon king.